worldview is how we see and understand the world. It informs how we act in the world. We believe a biblical worldview is the most important way we can look at the world. But we also believe God gives parts of his body, called the church, unique roles to fill on earth. That is where a salvationist worldview comes into play. The way we see the world uses the glasses of the Bible to see everything correctly, then the magnifying glass of salvationism to serve him as he has called us to serve. Let's look at 6 things that are a part of the salvationist worldview. We believe in a sacramental life. We don't regularly practice the most recognized sacraments of communion and baptism in the Salvation Army. That doesn't make us anti-sacramental. Instead, we are omnisacramental. We see the sacred in all things. Our understanding is that we're called to be living sacraments. A sacrament is an outward and visible sign of an inward grace. We believe God has called us to show others how to focus on the inward grace rather than the outward sign. We are pragmatic. Pragmatic means practical. One cold night, William and Bramwell Booth were walking near London Bridge and saw the homeless and hungry trying to sleep with only newspaper to cover them. William said to Bramwell, "Go and do something." Bramwell did. We continue to find out what needs to be done, and then we go and do it. We are incarnational. Incarnational means in the flesh. In the Message version of the Bible, John 1:14 says this about Jesus: "The Word became flesh and blood and moved into the neighborhood." We need to do the same thing. The Salvation Army spread quickly around the world because it worked to meet the specific needs of specific people in specific places. Meeting needs in Jesus' name means knowing the needs. To know the needs, we need to live in the neighborhood, and we need to listen. We are international. As the Salvation Army spread around the world, William Booth insisted that we not become a bunch of little Salvation Armies. Instead, he wanted us to be one worldwide Salvation Army. The Salvation Army is connected in a way that most denominations aren't. For example, if you are a Salvationist, you can walk into a Salvation Army anywhere in the world and be welcome like family. We are egalitarian. This means that men and women have equal standing in the church and in ministry. The Salvation Army supports and encourages women in all aspects of ministry, including preaching, teaching, and leading. The Salvation Army has even had a woman as general 3 times so far. We are evangelistic. Evangelism, or sharing the good news about Jesus, is at the heart of everything William and Catherine Booth did, and at the heart of what the Salvation Army is and does today. The point of everything is to bring people to a saving knowledge of Jesus Christ. We do this by preaching the word, sharing personal testimonies, meeting basic human needs, and doing whatever else works. God raised up the Salvation Army to preach about Jesus and to serve people by meeting their needs in his name without discrimination. We believe in sacramental living. We are pragmatic, incarnational, international, egalitarian, and evangelistic. All of this is a part of our unique salvationist worldview and how we love God and love others.